In this lesson, we will understand what are top filters in Tableau. With that, we will also see an example and implement it on Tableau. Let us see. So if you want to filter data to display only the top and values based on a specific measure or dimension, then use the top filters. This feature enables you to focus on the key data points and simplify your visuals. So if you want to get the subcategory of products with top 5 or top 10 sales, you can use the top filter. Now we will see an example and implement top filters on Tableau. In the same Amit underscore Tableau underscore filters Tableau workbook, we will create a new sheet top filter and create a filter. Let us see. Now here is a Tableau. I'll click on new worksheet and double click to rename it. Let's say I'll add top filter or top filters. Okay. Now we will get the subcategory of products with top 5 or 10 sales. Drag the measure sales to the columns shelf and the dimension subcategory to the rows shelf. Now a bar chart is visible. Right click the subcategory and click filter. Now a dialog box will be visible. Go to the top for the top filter. Here let's say we will click by field. Keep it top only, and here you can add 5, 10 or any value. I'll go for 5, let's say, to get the top 5. Sales and sum, keep it as it is, and this also keep it top. This will give us the subcategory of products with top 5 sales. After clicking apply, click OK, and now the top 5 sales are visible. So this is the bar chart that displays a subcategory of products with top 5 sales. So these are subcategories only, right? So in this way, guys, you can apply the top filter in Tableau. I'll save it, and we have saved all the filter examples and worksheets under the Amit underscore Tableau underscore filters workbook. Thank you for watching the video.